one major takeaway is that both for ants and humans, societies are not powerless when it comes to fighting disease, and that sociality itself is allows to evolve defenses that are really effective as well, and that you could not deploy in a solitary context, right? So all this social care, right? Taking care of your sick nestmates in the case of ants, or deploying those collective defenses in the terms of how you organize society and so on. That's also very effective. And ants actually across the board very good, I think, at fighting pathogens and parasites. And you could argue that humans also are overall. I think we're doing pretty well, right? And then there's also, I think communication is also a very important factor in that. So for example, the speed at which we can exchange information or detect cases, early detection of infection cases is a big, I think, advantage that you have in a social context. So ants are also very, very good at detecting sick nestmates or detecting, the presence of pathogens in the nest. And I think that's also one of the big advantages that humans have at their disposal, right? Communication, even though it's very susceptible to, of course, also misinformation.